Yeah, what's up, you guys? Early long time because I'm planning to know. So, guys, I've been playing Roblox for a little bit too long, so I thought I'll change to a new game. So today I'm playing Subway Surfers. I'm gonna be honest, sorry. I don't know if my last time record is still over here. I connected with Google. I know. 1 coins for your friends by making multiplayer runners. I want to multiply. And now I should just tap. Dude, you're not gonna ask me to join anything about my Google Play records. What's this? Oh, my progress has been gone. I could say you that one thing. Thanks a lot. Dude, this is a dude. Okay, I'll just... Oh, grab! Grab, I wanted that fan. Oh my gosh. Oh, grab. Friends are going like mad. Sorry, dude. Cop. The cop is behind me. Call it the police or the cops. I want to grab. What do we call these? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! I'm gonna die. Hey, when did I ever get the high score? I'm logging into Facebook. Oh, what business is? Why Tamil? Oh, Kannada. Wait then. Characters. So I can actually get some cash. So let's go. Yeah, I need to get that. I want to get the limited edition one. Know what you guys have to say for it, but yeah, it's cool. Not bad game, not bad. I'm not so interested in alphabet, so I'm going for it. I need mana. Oh my! Nice hop. God, I can't punch him, huh? Oh yeah. Skateboard is free here. I don't need to pay for it though. Oh my gosh! This crazy cop! Oh my god! The cop is crazy, dude. The song sounds really legendary. Wait, I'm gonna die. So I did get I. I have no words to say. my gosh, see my skills, dude. See, when you're professional, it's so easy, guys. See, that's why I make gaming videos, because I'm always successful. Even if it's an unknown game to me, it's always a success that matters. Oh, this is so confusing! The tricky. New high score, dude. I'm always getting new high scores. I never get out of high scores unless... this is very tricky. The look really confused me last time. Oh my god! Nuclear bomb. I need money, dude. Money. I need to keep my title. My god. Dude, I can't be paying attention to you guys because I have this game. Oh, I want to get the money, but dude, I can keep killed. Leave me. My gosh, see, dude. Told you, dude, I'm a professional. See, dude, see how good I am. I'm going more fast. Guess that's a bonus speed. Oh my gosh! Dude! Dude, money, seriously. Can I double up? What do I do for doubling up? Oh, I watch a video! Amazon. What is this adding? Amazon now also going up. Let's leave it. Is it any great bonus? Can I bonus it more? Yeah, I told you guys it's a new high scale. Definitely got it. I will connect with Facebook later, guys. I don't know how to log in. That's a problem. Holy Robbins. Dialogue that is. The cops also should have some good dialogue. I don't know who created this. I'm also in my life plan of making games, dude. Actually, I tried to make one app. It was a total failure because I was not good at coding. Mystery box! Mystery box! Yeah, I got a mystery box. I don't remember how last time I got mystery box. Let's see. Oh my gosh! Did I buy a skateboard? I wasted my cash. I don't know, it was not free. Okay, I didn't know in the beginning, but then after I thought it was free. Wow. Wait, I should stop the video so it is quick. Because I don't long videos, dude. It kind of delays my time plus your time. Plus that's really bad, no? I don't like my, my fans or my viewers. Viewers, not fans. Someone is a big fan of me, are they? If you are, I'm very happy. If you are not, I'm very sad. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Alright guys, I guess I need to stop this. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. I'm not going to save that idiot. Good luck. Be my dragon knight. Oh yeah, before that I will open this. What? Okay, good luck everyone. Double up. So I don't want you to watch this video, so good luck.